What's up, pimps and hoes? Welcome to my garage. Here in the Boston garage, we build the highest quality of cars. The end.
Oh, there's a huge spider under there.
Lord, there is.
There he is.
I guarantee some Karen's gonna cry. I just killed a spider. Okay, for the first time ever, we have the majority of our Evos in one place. Not all of them, because all of them wouldn't fit. So in the shop, we have 6 Evos. 4 of them are 10s. One's an Evo 8 and one's an Evo 9. What do you think, Bobby? Let's get Bob over here. Let the boys know what you think of Evos. All the Evos.
I can love them.
Okay.
I'm an Evo addict, just like you.
Shameless plug. Okay, should we do a quick walk around? Me and you together?
Sure, why not?
What car do you want to see?
Let's start with the original Ava, of course.
Okay. So a lot of these cars I haven't shown on the channel for a while just because I don't really drive all of them. You can't really drive all the cars at once, right?
Yeah, and also they're kind of spread between the house and the shop.
Yeah, they are.
So.
I'm not baller enough to have a mansion yet with a giant warehouse, but one day soon. So we're gonna start off with the first Evo I've ever purchased. This, what's her name?
Ava.
You gotta come over.
Sorry.
This is Ava. This old girl is my baby. She has had 4 or 5 different motors in her. I like to blow stuff up, but this one's been holding strong for a very, very long time.
Whoa, I have something to say. This has been Devin's learning motor, like learning Evo.
Yeah.
This is where he learned to like build Evos in general.
Mm-hmm.
This is where it all began.
How long have I had this hunk of shit for?
Probably like 4 or 5 years.
5 years, huh? Okay, I'm gonna try to do a real quick breakdown on every single Evo. So, quick breakdown. Fully built engine, ETS kit, 6266. Car makes right around 700 wheel on E85. Varus parts on the exterior, and it's vinyl wrapped. Is that a good enough breakdown?
It's got a little burn mark.
Oh yeah, it caught on fire once. What Evo is your favorite out of every Evo?
Ava, of
Ava?
course.
Okay.
That's a no-brainer.
What's number 2? Should we just start at the front and go to the back? What's this one's name?
Bloob.
Good old blue.
No, Bloob.
Oh, bloob.
Yeah, Bloob.
Even better.
Yeah. All right, you want to pop the hood? I can't fit. I'm too fat. So this here is my 05 Evo 8. This is like a half restoration project. The whole engine bay is done. The whole undercarriage. The only thing I need to do that I was gonna do is paint the car. I ain't painting this hoe though. I'm just gonna leave it. I'll probably sell it actually because I don't drive it. This thing's built. This car makes 740 wheel, fully built engine.
Just beautiful.
Once again, a 6266, made like 740 on E85. Here's our engine bay. It's a little dirty, but I don't know. It's kind of cool. What do you think, Bob?
This is like
Car's electric blue, but it's vinyl wrapped. Light blue by Avery. I vinyl wrapped it. Avery didn't vinyl wrap it.
This is the sketchiest car you have.
This is definitely the sketchiest car I have. This car makes 700. It made that at English's Dyno. This thing feels like 200 wheel faster. Probably because it's a little bit lighter. It's just sketchy all around. Like when you're hauling dicks out on the road, it goes like this.
it's just more raw feeling too.
She rowdy.
Like you're one with the road.
Yeah, I would take it out right now, but it's dark because we got to the shop late. And I'm out of E85 anyway. It's too expensive. Your boy can't afford it anymore. Third Evo. This is the most recent Evo, huh? Right? We just picked this thing up. This car is pretty sick. Full Varus kit. Well, Varus bumpers, Varus skirts, Victory function fenders, and another 6266. Like we were on literally everything. You want to pop the hood on this old gal? We haven't named this one yet, have we?
No, because she might just be my parts car.
This thing's kind of cool, but it needs a lot of work. Like to be nice. So it's a complete stock block, stock engine, untouched engine. Everything's stock. Stock springs, stock cams, stock. Did I just say stock springs? No shit, it's got stock springs. Stock pistons, rods, literally everything from the pan to the gosh damn valve cover stock.
You should put that clip in there where it says boring, from Patrick. Do you know what I'm talking about, Jared?
Anything else to say about this? Jared has something to say.
It looks really nice. Actually, I like how it looks. It sounds good, but yeah, when you actually get in it and you see everything up close, it's pretty crusty.
Yeah.
She's crusty.
Yeah. But it has a lot of potential.
It does. It mainly just needs like a vinyl wrap, like the carbon lip is cracked, just random things like that. Interior's got some stuff that I'm not very fond of. But overall, it's a dope car. and this car made like 550 wheel on pump, 546 wheel on pump.
Was that dent there?
Okay, next Evo 10. This old girl, I'm actually gonna sell this car. I keep meaning to put this thing for sale because we have, including Jared's Evo, we have 5 Evo 10s, which is too many, right? 5? So this car's 100% done. This is a 08 Evo 10 with 30,000 original miles on it. This thing is dummy clean. Yeah, there's nothing to say about it. It's
No,
just,
this car right here,
it's just stupid clean.
I will say, is like the prettiest looking car you have. Like
Nah.
Ava's the most aggressive, but this thing looks like brand new.
Well, it is brand new because I polished it.
And it only has 30,000 miles on it.
It's pretty much all stock. It's like stage 2 if you're a Subaru, if you're a Bobby Wallace. Yeah, this thing makes like 350 wheel, which is, you know, it's fun daily power. I said I was gonna use it as a daily, but then I don't. Now it just sits here. I don't know why I don't daily it. What do I do?
Really freaking.
I daily my street bike. It is low. I might raise it up. It rubs a little bit here and there. So I'll probably raise this thing up, but yeah, this thing's freaking beautiful. Graphite gray. It's got like some nice red wheels on it. Rims. She's got rims. And yeah, that's that. Should we move on to the 9?
Yeah.
This is a car that a lot of people think that I sold just because I bought it, and I think I showed it once, or I may have made 2 videos on it, and then it disappeared. But here it is again. It came back. This car I bought. This is like a long-term project. I probably still won't touch this car for a while. I bought it, and I said it was gonna be a daily, like I do with every damn car. But this thing is sick. And this car's only got 50,000 miles on it. It's a 06 Evo 9 and fully built motor, FP block, and it probably is gonna make like 500 wheel. So it's pretty sick. It's not very clean right now, but I'll go ahead and pop the hood. Ooh, something's leaking on her from this piece of poop up here. So here's this old girl. Like I said, it needs some love. But it is built, Busher built. It's still a 2-liter. And I don't know how many miles are on it, but it runs well. It's got a really shitty clutch in it, so that's why I don't drive it.
Can I say something about this car?
Go ahead.
Because I think it's super unique, but this car has a really like old kit on it.
Oh yeah, it is.
Like a really old kit on it, and I personally like it because it's just different than anything else.
It's an Ings +1 kit, so from bumper to rear bumper and skirts. Okay.
Yeah. It just speaks differently, you know? No?
No.
Okay, the very, very last Evo that is in the shop currently is this car up here. It's Bobby's newest car. That's Bobby, if you don't know. That's my friend, Bobby.
Devin Bryan.
She's my girlfriend too. This is her car. This is gonna be the fastest Evo we own. It's gonna make probably 850 wheel. Let's run over here. Don't mind me, parts are literally scattered everywhere right now. But here's some of the parts for the build, fully built, 5-speed for it, built T-case. This here is a sleeved block. We got our pistons and rods in there. Like this thing's built to the hilt. Here's the turbo kit. So this is a driven fab turbo kit with a 9174 Borg Warner EFR. Oof, spicy. Don't mind the oil inside the turbo. We bought this car blown up. She had a lifted head, so we are in the process of building the new motor for it. But yeah, and then last but not least, we have a spare Evo 10 motor. That clearly I've been using for parts.
Pulled like 10 things off that for my car.
Yeah, we pulled a lot of shit off that motor. I think I'm gonna build that motor for the first Evo I showed you, the camo Evo. And just because that motor's not sleeved and I want a sleeve motor in it, so I'll probably sleeve this and then build this outside the car, and then I'll have another spare motor. I like spare motors. Is that it?
Yeah, I forgot my keys. Otherwise,
We
I'm
can
sure
go
you'd
show them it.
Yeah.
There's more Evos, but that I'm not gonna show you, but we'll go show you Jared's Evo. Okay, so here's Jared's car. We just got done building this thing. I would really, really love to show you guys the entire build, but Jared lost his keys.
I forgot him at the house.
No, he lost them. They might be in his bum, not exactly sure. But this is actually Bobby's old car, and this thing's pretty sick. It's got a brand new motor in it, and it just hit the dyno and made 516?
Like 515, something
515,
like that,
515 wheel on E85, and like 446 on pump. So this thing's pretty rowdy. It's a very excellent daily driver for Mr. Jared Bickler back here. If you could find his keys, then we could probably go rip this thing, but he lost his keys. I'm just gonna say it like 10 times. He lost his keys.
Are you gonna do a build breakdown at all? He can't really.
Build breakdown real quick. AGT 55 mil. I would show you, but Jared lost his keys. Built bottom end, MAP, intercooler, MAP manifold. A lot of cool shit on it. That's the gist, right?
Nope.
This guy's rattling on by. That thing sounds healthy.
Let's do a build breakdown on that.
She got a rod knot. Yeah, show them this funker.
She's pretty stock looking.
It still looks good though.
Oh yeah.
All right, we gotta pick favorites. What's your favorite Evo that we got? You can say yours as well.
I already told you. Ava.
Not your own car?
Well, as of right now, no.
Okay. I would say my favorite Evo is probably Ava as well.
Ask Jared.
I was gonna say the Blue 8, but they're all sick. All right, Jared, what's your favorite Evo?
Ava.
For real? All three of us.
This is like.
Even with this wing that's broken off?
Yeah.
Because
It was like the first car, like built car of yours I was ever in.
yeah, the wing actually broke because Jared lost his keys. So it's pretty wild how that
It
works.
just sounds perfect too.
This car does sound good.
You've put the most work into this car as well. I feel like.
Yeah, well, it's because I kept blowing shit up on it. But now she's good to go. Well, should we wrap it up here? Go ahead, comment down below your favorite Evo out of all the Evos we just showed you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a short one, short but sweet. I've always wanted to get all the Evos together. This was fun. It was very stressful because there's cars all over the place, but they're all here. So it's kind of cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
You're literally vlogging like this close. And if you had a normal lens on, it would just be your lips talking. That was pretty funny.
I have a wide angle lens.
You're so cute.
Ah, that's my fat ass belly.